In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings. Now scroll down to access Privacy section. In it, click on Privacy next to Permissions and select App Lock. Now tap on Got It and choose this switcher next to App Lock feature. If you don't have privacy password already, you need to set it up by accessing Settings from this pop-up. Now click on Use a different password type and select the best option for you, in my case, pattern. Then create your login method that you will use to lock your apps. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And answer this security question. You need to also set up your recovery email. If you don't like this question, you can always click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, tap on Custom Question at the bottom and create your own. Select Confirm. And then remember to answer it correctly below. Now tap on this check mark at the top right corner and click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock, like Chrome. So when I go back and try to access Chrome app, icons that pattern is now required. In order to disable app lock from your app, go into the same settings, click on app lock, enter your privacy password and tap on the same no blue switcher. If you wish to disable app lock feature completely, click on this switcher next to app lock. You can enable it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!